Carrying debt over 40 feels different. It's heavier, it's lonelier, and it comes with a shame no one really talks about. You start thinking, maybe I'm too old to start over. But let me tell you the truth. Sis, it's a lie. You are not too old to start over. I'm going to show you how you can break free from the debt shame cycle so you can finally breathe again. I'm Dakota Grady, DG, the Money Coach, and I'm all about helping you to master your finances. All right, here's the thing. Debt doesn't only weigh down your bank account, it weighs down your spirit too. Every swipe of that credit card feels like failure. Every payment feels like punishment. When you see your peers retiring early, taking vacations, or buying homes, you feel behind. But listen, comparison is killing your progress because the truth is you're not behind. You're only on your own timeline and your story isn't over. In fact, here's why shame keeps you stuck. Shame keeps you stuck because it makes you hide. That's right, think about it. You start opening bills, you avoid checking your checking balances, and the debt grows in silence. It's just like mold. When we moved here to South Carolina, we lived in, we put our stuff in this closet, right? And one day I just like going there and it had so much mold on, like everything is spread. That's how the shame feels of your debt. If you don't address the issue, it will keep on growing and growing and growing. Shame makes you spend too. It makes you spend like you deserve it. You say, well, maybe I want to treat myself just to numb the pain. And it keeps you in a cycle. It keeps you broke. In fact, you may feel like you need to self-medicate, go spend on a shopping spree, go to town just to relax. But when you come back, you face the shame again. It's almost like you going to get drunk, right? You go get drunk, you have fun with your friends, your family, then you wake up with a hangover. And the mess of your life is still there. Shame makes you believe it's too late. At 40 plus, you think the damage is done. But let me tell you something. Wealth doesn't have an age limit. That's right, it doesn't. So don't feel like your life is over financially. There's hope for you. In fact, let me tell you 3 reasons how to overcome and break the debt shame cycle. First one is face your numbers. Don't let shame keep you blind. Don't put your head in the sand. That's right, don't do that. Write down every debt, even if it hurts. I like to call it the debt crusher method. I recommend writing all your debts down from the tiniest one to the biggest one, regardless of interest rate. And you want to do number 2, you want to pick one of the debts, and I recommend the smallest debt, and you want to attack it with a vengeance. You want to get out there so quickly, so fast that you have to sacrifice to make it happen. Now, I recommend that if you really want to take this thing to the top and get out of debt as fast as possible, be willing to sacrifice. Be willing to work overtime. Sell things, get another job, do whatever you can to get out of debt, because debt is stealing your hope. The shame is growing, but in order to break free from that, you must be willing to break free from the shame of living in debt. And the last solution to the problem is you want to build some joy into your journey. Now, if you are tired of struggling, tired of the debt hanging over your head, what I recommend doing, a little small joy fund. Every time you pay off some debt, go treat yourself. Go do something that you enjoy doing. Don't spoil it too bad now. Make sure you stay on track and don't go back into the same cycle, same trap of shame. If you're ready to let go of the shame, drop in the comments below, free at 40. Because, sis, you're not too old. You're on just the right time. So, in fact, if you enjoyed this episode of the show, and I want to invite you to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I drop real talk like this every single week to help Black women over 40 to build the life and wealth they desire.